door is about to explode, it looks like.
Look how bright that is.
Oh la la, it's like a light switch.
Right?
Light switch on. I wish I could do that, like.
I don't know how to make this.
Whoa. Yeah, now it's recording, because if you see red, then yeah.
What's this story?
Whoa. This is so cool.
The pool is nice and full.
Look at the pool.
Oh, the water.
Whoa.
That's definitely not going to drive. Really? Rather than it was if it was up there.
I know that thing's supposed to be meant to be dry, but I don't think that's happening. Uh-oh, poor umbrellas. Whoa, whoa.
Just as I turn off my thing.
That's so like loud.
I just turned my video off and then it starts that big crackling.
Yeah, I know, that kind of happened to me too. I'm kind of scared for some reason. It's gonna strike us, and then we're gonna be dead, and then we're gonna get Zeus power. I forgot who Zeus is. I forgot it.
You don't want it. Whoa, there's a big.
Squirrels. I wonder how the squirrels are doing. They just get hit by so much rain.
Rain.
You can see like how much rain. I think. Oh yeah, that one in the pool. You could see that.